Okay, this is a recording of a question using long multiplication. We know it's long multiplication because we're being told information that they're holding a raffle to raise money for local charities. When you see the word each, that implies that that's one ticket. We have a total of 36 tickets. Yeah. And they want to know how much they should raise in total. So the total will be 36 tickets, each $4.75. What would be total? Now, to start with, we're just going to calculate this in pence. So we're actually going to deal with 475 pence, not pounds. We'll convert it in a minute to pounds to see how you deal with decimals. So this is a multiplication of 475 by 36. If I lay it out. Okay. So 475 times 36. The reason I'm doing it that way round, remember, multiplication you can do in either direction. It makes no difference. If I tried doing it, doing 36 times 475, I'd have 3 lines. This reduces it to 2 lines. Now for my top line, I'm going to do this 3, just there, by the 5, by the 7 and by the 8. But that 3, remember, is a 30. So we're actually going to do in the top line is 30 times 475, which means I've got a number 0 on the end. Multiplying anything by a multiple of 10 means we're going to have a 0 on the end of the number. So now I can do 30 times 5 is 150, but I'm already in the correct place. So 3 times 5, 15, carry 1 into the next column. Some people put it above, I like to put it with the working underneath. Next digit is 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Now I'm going to merge this in, you don't have to, but 3 times 7 is 21, plus that 1 there is 22. So it's 2 in the units, 2 tens carries into the next column. 3 times 4 is 12, plus the 2 in that column, 14. So 4 and carry 1 into the next column. Next line, we come down, and this time we're going to be doing 6 times the 475. The stuff in red you don't normally write, but it is good practice when you're demonstrating. As it's only a 6, we're going to start in the first column, over here. 6 times 5 is 30, so 0, carry 3 into the next column. 6 times 7, 42, plus 3 is a 5, carry 4. 6 times 4, 24, plus the 4 is 28. Carry the 2, but it gets cancelled, and each of these 3 have been included as I came along. So I don't have to keep them separate. And now I bring my 2 parts together by addition. 0. 5 and 5 is 10, so 10, carry 1 into the next column. 2, 10 and 1 is 11, carry 1 into the next column. 4, 2, 7. And this says my answer is 171.00 pence. So it's 17,100 pence. Now I said we could go back and think, how would we do this in pounds? Well, the way to do these multiplications with decimal places is if you take the question, it's got 2 decimal places in the question. There's no decimal place in the 36, but there are 2 here. So to do 2 places in the question, we have 2 places in each answer going through. So now I get £171, no pence. Now I'm just going to check it on the calculator, make sure my solution came out. So I'm going to do it first as pence, 475, multiplied by 36, and that gives me 17,100. That's what we had originally. If I turn it into the pounds version, 4.75 multiplied by 36, press equals, I get the £171 I just described there. Notice this has knocked off the 2 zeros because it doesn't know we're dealing with money. That's a basic multiplication sum.